so it's Keoshia. I'm back for another hair video. So today I am showing you how I got these beautiful curly one, and I'm going to show you how I got this style today. So if you like my hair videos, you want to see how I got my hair looking like this, then make sure you keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe and help me get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna be a little late. You probably see me in this outfit twice. But welcome to 25 days of Christmas Day. Well, today's actually day 17, but I'm opening up 16 because man, my throat is killing me. So I just went to bed last night. I wasn't studying nothing. Okay, I just went my ass to bed, and I'm about to open 16, and tomorrow y'all see 17, so if you see 17 in the same outfit, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, this is day 16, so let's go ahead and open it. It's, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a Sephora Cream Lip Satin Set. Shades include pink tea. Wait a minute. Why has it only got one shade in here? It says 4 of the hottest shades, including pink tea. Oh, it doesn't tell you what the rest of them are. So it's a little pack of Sephora shades. Let's see if I can tell you guys what they are. It's like the little mini trial. cream thingamajiggers. Guess it doesn't tell you. It just has numbers at the bottom. Y'all know my little butt probably need glasses. I don't know. It says it's a cream stain. And this is like a little, it's too little to focus. It's like a brown, a red, a nude, and some kind of pink color. And then this is an Sephora in a blink of an eye 3 eyeshadow palette. And this one's gonna be hell to get open, so I'm not gonna open this one up. Let's see if I can get it in one try. If I can't, y'all, it's gonna be shocked. Like I said, I'm not in the mood for this shit this morning. My throat is on fire. Let's see. Okay, I got it open for you guys. Oh, it's super cute package. So it's like a nude, a shimmery, 2 shimmery browns, like a champagne and a dark brown. Super cute. Nice little travel palette thing, you know. I don't too much do eyeshadow. But maybe one day I'll try it out. But that is day 16. I got a mini eyeshadow palette and a mini lip stain. So thank you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, there was something else in here. Sorry. It's a, I didn't even see this one. It's a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara as well. Super cute. Look at a little gingerbread lady. Isn't that cute? But yeah. Okay, so I got some mascara too. I always need mascara and lip stuff and eyeshadow things. So that was 25 Days of Christmas Day 16. Alright you guys, so I'm back for the styling portion. So as you guys saw, I went ahead and curl and wind my hair, and I used some Pantene hairspray to kind of keep the hold today. And so this is what my hair looks like before I go ahead and take it apart. So you guys know I always curl my hair on the opposite side that I want the part to be on to give it more volume. You see me looking over here because I have a mirror over here, so I'm trying to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and put my part where I like it to be. And I try not to disturb too much of the curls, or the wand curls, as you call them. Try to get my part as straight as possible, but you know that's not always necessary. And then I will comb it just a little bit, okay? You don't want to comb out the curls unless that is the look you're going for. I don't go for that type of look. I like for my curls to be just me putting my fingers through it like this. So I will take my hands and I will basically go through my hair like this. Okay. And then I will take it and go like this. And just basically rake my hands through my hair. Take this one back a little bit, like back that way. And kind of give it a little oomph at the top. I don't know what to call it. I call it oomph. Y'all know how I do. And take this one a little bit back like that to kind of give it a little bit of oomph, curl, action going. Not too many flyaways. You guys know I don't do edge control or any of that. However my hair falls is how my hair will fall, okay? And I am okay with unruly edges. To me, it does the best. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna flip my hair and then come back up. Hold up, 1, 2, 3, go. Flip. Run my hand through the curls. Flip it back. Ooh, look at that volume. Yes, ma'am. You better, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Wham, bam. What you call it? Thank you, ma'ams type situation. So, this is what my hair is looking like, you guys. So, wand curls. Love them. They don't take long. Sorry, it's my mirror. They don't take long to do. As you can see, this is my hair up close. It's super bouncy, super shiny. Looks amazing. This is one of my favorite styles to rock since I cut my hair. And I don't put heat in my hair all the time. I will go ahead and do like flexi rods to kind of hold the style. Or I'll pineapple it at night, or I'll just, pineapple and then let the waves fall and flow as they be. But this is the finished look, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.